Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the overflow property in CSS. First, we increase our font size. We have a width and a height of the div. The background color is a little gray to see it properly. And overflow. We are just going to check it in a minute. And here I wrote the text just to be a big text, so we can see it work properly. So, the overflow, the visible, the first one, it's the default one. The visible, it's what is used to be the default. The hidden will hide everything outside the div, outside the element. So, if it's outside the div, you cannot see it. The scroll. The scroll will create two scroll bars in both directions, no matter you need it or not. And lastly, the auto will only create a scroll bar if you need it. If you don't need it, it will not be even created, see? Sorry, I need to delete even more. Even more, I would say. Here, we don't need it, it will not be created. Now, lastly, but not less important, the overflow X and the overflow Y. Let me just show it. Here, sorry, we must have a bigger thingy, I think. Doesn't matter. Let me just put overflow X hidden and the overflow Y scroll. So we can change the both X and Y directions separately. If we put the hyphen and the X and the hyphen and the Y. So, but let me just show you something else. If you put scroll on the down, you can also remove this one that will be hidden. We will not be able to see the rest of the thing, but it's there. That's what matters. And in this video it's everything. Now you have a nice idea of what's the overflow and what it does. Thank you guys and see you soon.